Salesforce One. The Salesforce One app can be accessed by going to your local app store, either iTunes or the Google Store. You'll download Salesforce One, and once you download it, you'll click on the app icon, which will take you to the Salesforce login page. It is identical to the page that you use when you log into Salesforce.com. You'll enter in your username and password and click Login to Salesforce. It will ask you for access to certain data within Salesforce. Just click Allow. The first page you will view when logging in is your accounts. Your accounts will show you your active accounts by clicking on Active Accounts. It'll show you named accounts, and it will also show you your recent accounts, just as it does in your Salesforce.com on your laptop or computer. You click on My Active Accounts, it'll show you just your active accounts. If you click on an account, it will take you to the account page, showing you basic information regarding the account, such as the name, status, MDM ID, things like that. It'll also show you phone numbers. If there's a phone number linked to the account, you can click on the phone number and you'll be able to contact the customer directly. We won't do that here, but let's go back. You can click this arrowhead, it'll take you back to previous screens. You can do your search for an account by typing in the account name here. If you click on these three bars, it shows you your recent accounts, cases, contacts, and leads. You can do a search through Salesforce, through the Salesforce app by clicking into this button here and doing a search within Salesforce. The basic functionality that it'll show you here for leads and contacts, for example, let's click on contacts. You'll be able to view your recent contacts, which is what you're seeing here. You'll be able to click on New This Week or Old Contacts. If you needed to create a new contact, just click on the New button. A page will open with blank information where you'll be entering in the account, the contact's name. You can enter in their first name, their last name. Once you're done, you'll click Save, and the account will then be created. Click on these three bars again, and we'll go to the Leads section. The Leads page will show you your recent leads. If you click on My Unread Leads, it'll show you your unread leads. Very similar to what you see on Salesforce.com. It's just basic functionality right now in the Salesforce One app. You can also create a new lead from here. But again, before creating new leads, make sure you search. Make sure it doesn't already exist. You can create the new lead here by clicking New. The page will open. You enter in the basic information, first name, last name, whatever information it is that you have. As you can see, required fields do have a star next to it, so you'll have to enter in the company name. Once you enter in that information, you click Save, and your lead has then been created. Whatever you enter in on your Salesforce app will appear on Salesforce.com when you log in through your computer or laptop. Further down, you'll see the Today option. If you click on Today, it's asking you to get started. Click Get Started. It's asking for access to certain calendars. I only wanted to have access to my work and Salesforce. So I'll deselect the others and click Save. And now today, it shows that I have 2 tasks assigned for me for today. If you click on this, the task that you have open for today will appear. You can create a new task by clicking New Task. You fill in the basic information, who is related to. Again, required fields will have a small blue star next to it. Enter in your information here for the task. You click Save, and the task will then appear on your drop-down. Now, if you go back to the sidebar options, you click on Tasks here, it will show you all tasks that are open for you in this view. Here, you can also create a new task. You can open your tasks. For example, I'm going to open Call Cindy. You open the task. You can view the details of the task here. You see the due date, the comments, and you can edit it as well. You go back to your search. You have the next section here is the dashboards. Your dashboards, although it's not ready for you today, it will be at some point as soon as we are able to put in more work and effort into our reports. Your dashboards will be more useful to you. But this is the basic out-of-the-box functionality of Salesforce One. As we make more improvements to the app and we incorporate more of our custom details into it, you'll be able to use this much like you do your Salesforce.com page.